Outdoor season is in full swing, and I've rounded up BCP's favorite items to turn any space into the ultimate paradise. In this episode, I'm talking about everything for your backyard. No matter the size of your backyard or patio, having a bistro set is an absolute essential. This serves up the perfect setting for morning coffee or afternoon breaks. Hand-woven, all-weather wicker, and comfy cushions give you a stylish design worth showing off. I don't know about you, but I love versatility, and furniture that works indoors and out is a great money saver. Cut to our wicker egg chair, designed with plenty of room for curling up or hanging out with your little ones or pets. The open weave pattern lets the sun shine through so you can feel like you're relaxing in a luxury resort. If you're looking for something even more relaxed, I highly recommend BCP's hammock. This style is designed with room for two, so you can cuddle up with that special someone. It's also a no-brainer for afternoon naps or picnics. Plus, it comes with a heavy-duty stand so you can take it on the go, from the backyard to the beach. Don't limit yourself the next time you're hosting. Throw some shade that pulls double duty with a solar patio umbrella. When the sun goes down, the built-in LEDs turn on so family and friends can gaze up at the stars. Speaking of hosting, I just couldn't help but include the highly reviewed 7-piece wicker set. I love that the seat arrangements are fully customizable. You can put all the seats together for one full piece, or break them up into love seats. The included protective cover helps keep your cushions and wicker looking its best. Home renovations are fun, but they can quickly run up a hefty price. With the right additions to any living space, you can achieve the same feeling of new and improved without the demo headache. Discover more great finds at our Best Choice Products store on Amazon.